right, boys and girls, last week we did not have vocabulary, so we are picking up this week now after winter break with week 16. And the words this week are glum, gleeful, fume, imprudent, prudent, and reduce. Let's take a look at the first word, glum. That word means unhappy, gloomy, or miserable. Take a look at this young man. People feel glum when they are disappointed. People also feel glum when they hear sad or upsetting news. So glum then means unhappy, gloomy, or miserable. Here's an example using some text. Take a look up here. My cat Ophelia lost a lot of weight suddenly, and I took her to the vet. The veterinarian told me that she seemed very sick. Finding out that my cat was sick made me very glum. The next word that we want to look at is gleeful. We know that that suffix ful means full of. So gleeful means full of glee. But you might be wondering, well, what does glee mean? So synonyms for gleeful are happy, delighted, or joyous. Gleeful is going to be an antonym or the opposite of glum. Take a look at this young lady. She looks awfully gleeful. When you are gleeful or happy, you are not just a little happy. You are very happy. You are delighted and full of glee or joy. So I want you to think, on the last day of school this year, do you think you'll feel glum or gleeful? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. On the last day of school, I think I'll feel blank because... Go ahead. Let's take a look at the next word. The word is fume. Fume means very angry or irritated. People who are fuming sometimes behave in ways that show that they are angry or irritated. For example, they might bawl or shake their fist, or they might even stomp their feet. They might become red in the face or say things in an angry voice. But sometimes people who are fuming sometimes behave in different ways. So, for example, right here, other people fume silently. They keep their anger concealed inside so that no one else can see it. People might fume inside because they do not want others to know how angry they are, or because showing anger might get them into some trouble. Okay. Disregard this slide. That wraps up day 1. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 2. Great job.